Beneath the vast sky, Marco's youthful features are shadowed by a storm of inner turmoil. The mountain village bursts with life, yet Marco appears isolated, lost in thought. Each step seems heavy, his face a canvas of unspoken burdens. The vibrant colors of the village sharpen the contrast with the shadows that cling to Marco. The weight of his thoughts casts a pall over the cheerful energy of the mountain village. In the cramped confines of his small hut, Marco's inner turmoil manifests as he tosses restlessly in bed. The camera tightens on Marco's face, revealing the deep anxiety etched into every line. His restlessness intensifies, each movement a reflection of his troubled thoughts. A heavy sigh escapes his lips, filling the small room with the weight of his unease. The dim light casts long shadows, mirroring the darkness that grips Marco's heart. Trapped in the stillness of the night, Marco's anguish echoes in the silence. Amidst the vibrant chaos of the village square, Marco pauses, a solitary figure at the edge of the crowd. The lively sounds of daily life swirl around him, a stark contrast to the quiet desperation in his eyes. Whispers of a wise old man dwelling in the hills reach his ears, tales of a recluse guiding lost souls. The villagers speak of a path to inner peace, a glimmer of hope igniting within Marco's weary heart. He absorbs every word, the possibility of solace painting a new light across his face. In the symphony of the village, Marco finds a note of promise, a direction for his lost soul to follow. Marco embarks on a solitary journey, his figure a small silhouette against the imposing mountain. The path stretches endlessly, a serpentine trail winding into the heart of the mountains. Each step is a testament to his determination, the rugged terrain mirroring his inner turmoil. The air thins with the altitude, each breath a conscious effort in his quest for peace. He continues his ascent, driven by the promise of solace awaiting him at the journey's end. After an arduous journey, Marco's weary figure appears on the horizon, signaling his arrival at the remote village. The serene village unfolds before Marco, a picturesque vista, promising respite and untold stories. Marco's determined gaze sweeps across the village, a blend of fatigue and resolve etched onto his face. He slowly descends toward the village, each step a testament to his unwavering commitment. The tranquility of the village envelopes Marco, a stark contrast to the trials he has endured. With renewed vigor, Marco steps into the village, ready to embrace whatever awaits him in this sanctuary. An old small house is almost entirely consumed by climbing ivy and various other greenery. The old man sits on the porch, lost in a peaceful reverie, his eyes closed and his face serene. Marco halts a few feet away, a nervous energy radiating from him. Marco breaks the silence with a hesitant, "Excuse me." Marco arrives at the old man's weathered house, a silent testament to years gone by. He begins to gesture, his voice a soft plea against the backdrop of the serene landscape. Marco expresses his restless mind, seeking solace in the tranquility of the old man's presence. The old man listens with profound calm, his weathered face a canvas of quiet understanding. A subtle crinkling at the corners of the old man's eyes hints at the deep wisdom within. In the shared silence, a bond forms between the restless youth and the peaceful elder. In the old man's yard, a path winds through a riot of overgrown plants. The old man leads Marco deeper into his verdant sanctuary. The old man meticulously fills a glass with water, building a fragile dome on its surface. The glass brims, a testament to the old man's steady hand. He offers the brimming glass to Marco, a gesture of trust and hospitality. His weathered hand remains steady, offering the delicate gift of water. On a bustling village road, Marco delicately carries a glass, his focus unwavering amidst the lively commotion. The glass trembles slightly in his grip as he navigates through the crowd. Unmoved by the bustling villagers around him, his attention remains solely on the glass. Each step is measured, each breath controlled, to keep the precious water steady. Marco arrives at the village edge, his focus absolute. He pauses, a decision forming in his eyes. A determined resolve hardens his features. Marco turns, ready to return to the old man. He faces back towards the village, anticipation etched on his face. Marco treads carefully along the bustling village road, his brow furrowed in concentration. He navigates the lively distractions, his focus unwavering. Each step is measured, each glance cautious as he journeys through the village. Despite the vibrant chaos around him, Marco remains absorbed in his thoughts. The village fades into a blur around him, his determination growing with each step. He continues his journey, the village a backdrop to his resolute figure. Marco strides back towards the old man's house, determination etched on his face. He walks with purpose, his steps echoing his unwavering resolve. He has completed his task flawlessly, not a single drop spilled. A wide smile begins to stretch across Marco's face, revealing his inner pride. His smile widens, radiating accomplishment and self-assurance. Marco approaches the house, his beaming face a testament to his success. An old man with a weathered face studies Marco, his eyes narrowed with suspicion. The old man's voice cuts through the air. "Did you notice the children playing? Or the dogs barking?" Marco's gaze remains fixed, replying, "I admit, I was too focused on the glass to notice anything else." The old man's curiosity deepens, his suspicion unwavering as he absorbs Marco's admission. In the tranquil yard, the old man gestures expansively, his voice a soothing balm. Marco listens with rapt attention, his brow furrowed as he grapples with the old man's wisdom. Sunlight dances through the leaves, casting a mosaic of light and shadow, mirroring the shifting thoughts in Marco's mind. The old man elucidates the power of presence, of anchoring oneself in the here and now to calm the restless mind. A gentle breeze whispers through the leaves, nature's soft agreement to the profound lesson. Understanding dawns, softening Marco's expression as he begins to grasp the essence of the old man's teachings. As the sun descends, long shadows stretch across the landscape, painting the scene with hues of twilight. Marco bows deeply before the old man, his form a silhouette against the fading light. His posture speaks of profound gratitude, each movement deliberate and full of respect. A serene expression washes over Marco's face, revealing the peace he has found in understanding the secrets to calming his mind. Marco treads homeward, a transformation evident in his serene gait. A newfound peace radiates from him as he connects with the world around him, every step a meditation. He pauses, drinking in the air, his face reflecting pure, unadulterated joy. The camera ascends, revealing the breathtaking panorama that envelops Marco in its tranquil embrace. The mountains stand as silent witnesses to his rebirth, their peaks piercing the heavens. The landscape stretches endlessly, a testament to the quiet grandeur that has reshaped Marco's soul.